Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hikvision installer. We have a project Al Mazma. So we started from Riyadh early morning. It's around 5 o'clock to reach Majma because due to it's around 200 kilometers from Riyadh. So this is the Riyadh city. We are going to pass the Riyadh city. It's a very beautiful and nice city. You can see on the video. So then we have to also cross the desert area. So here is the desert. It's a big desert. Welcome to Mazma. We reach in the Mazma. This is the shops. We have to complete the CCTV systems. Let's see inside. Here our technician already started the work. So this is Mr. Jihad. Here is the old camera. It's a 4K Bendel zoom camera for the inside. The cables that you see, we will not use that one. We will use the Cat 6. So guys, here we have one zoom camera, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there is a cables also still. So we have 5 and 6 cameras, all are zoom. So here is the, let's see, 3 modes camera in the cartoon. We have some connector also. Then we will go for installation period. Return all that's cables we don't need, so we have to return the cables. Let's see, our technician will work now. Started the cable pulling, so one of our staff is doing that. So we have here zoom camera. This is the place we will keep the monitor. Here is the monitor. It's a 4K 8 MP up to 8 MP. This is the connector for the power supply. Who is the holes you can see, and here we have some cables which is used to be for receiver only. Then you see the our technician Mr. Jihad, he is going to install the monitor. So, and also here one zoom camera already we install it, and the other side also you can see the customers going past. Then we have this side. This is the camera for the cashier to control. And let's see more. He is doing the balloon installation. So balloon has it. Here is another technician. He's trying to fix the monitor. And then we have one more camera, zoom camera. It's controlling the rack, shelf, and we have here the shelf also. The chips area is controlling other cameras. So let's see the camera also here. Then we have to go for the cashier camera. This is the cashier camera. This is the Mr. Ibrahim. He's the one cashier. He's from Bangladesh. So now I will go myself to program the systems. We started the programming. Monitor a little bit defective, so it doesn't matter. It will be work also good. So you can see all of our camera here one by one. It's almost done. Now we will make the adjustment and the connectivity of the remote view like a mobile use. So here, so this is the shops, almost done. All the camera is active, recording, and it's the owner can see the shops by his mobile. So guys, thanks, have a nice day, and thanks for watching. Bye.